on, fam? What is going on, blood? How you guys doing? Are you well? Man, I'm so tired, guys. Your boy Jade. Hey, he's popping. We're cleaning Jade's car to start off the day, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the vlog. Hey, what is going on, fam? What is going on, fam? Guys, whatever mood you're in, however you're starting your day, remember to FW1 it and wax it off, guys. Let's start this day off fresh. Hey. Guys, we're chilling. Nothing too interesting. And we're killing. Just like Mick Villain. I should be a rapper.
Alright guys, we just had a massive storm. Your boys are trying to save water, coming up with methods there, channeling that water to make sure that lemon tree gets some. Show them the methods, my boy! So what he does is the water comes down, fills in the bucket, he comes back. Done? Apple tree, drink some water. Beautiful. Wait, let me zoom in. Go back, go back. Go back, Matt. No. You have to go back. Okay, go down. Okay, turn around. Do the mouth thing. Wait, jump.
Why am I so bright? Okay, that's a little bit better. Guys, when you are blessed with rain in wow, there we go again, bright. When you're blessed with rain in an African country, utilize it, make a YouTube video. Hello, little one.
Deborah.
Oh. So guys, yes, I keep changing outfits. Like, one time you see me in one shirt, the next second you see me in another shirt, the next second. Okay. What? Oh no! We just, you remember we cleaned Jade's car and it came, then it rained, and now the mud is like.
Oh, you both of you lads, you should have waited.
We're going to the Vulcas for David's dad's party.
You're the one, but I do need your time, and if it ain't yours, try to score, cause you the hottest on the.
See if you can take the corner like that, Jade.
Tell me my fortune. I have a million songs. Fortune just begun. You got me jumping like.
Alright, ready right there.
I said back at it again with the jump shot. I mean, you and I won't stop. Back at it again with the jump shot. We could lock it down, never unlock. I said back at it again with the jump shot. And baby, the past was nothing but prep.
Filming. I wasn't filming. What just happened there? My head just hit the roof. What happened there?
I forgot about the bump, mate. I forgot that bump was installed.
Guys, Jade flew over a bump. Mark, I heard Mark hit the roof. My head hit the roof.
We've all forgotten about that bump though, let's be honest.
I don't remember the bump. Spotted a wildebeest. I've spotted a wildebeest. Mook, are you looking at the bumper? Yeah. We just flew over a bump, dude. Is it? Yeah. Yo. So, good to see you, bro. Check out this, guys. Jade's bumper is hanging off the thing. Hello. Yes, you need help.
Yes, thank you so much.
How are you doing, Tia? You're looking rather large there, Pins.
That's the name we like.
How are you well?
Oh,
please tell me I caught that thing where you missed my hand. Are you looking a bit moog there, Pins? This is sick, dude. How do you open this thing? What? Oh, and they're freezing, dude. Oh, that is sick, bro. Mook.
What?
Hello.
What? Yeah, let me
right.
This. Is that? It looks so real.
Michael?
It's just a reflection.
Is this a bit better?
It's cool, eh?
Are we swimming?
No.
There's your boy Jade, your boy Pians.
You know things.
Mark what?
Guys, I'm gonna put on dry, dude. Oh my gosh, I gotta dry these chairs Because apparently,
Matt.
because apparently all my jokes are dry, but I don't know what these guys mean. Like, we just got rain. Guys, we're racing the car to the shops. We're running. They walk there. Go, 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 go. There they are. They beat us. The shops here and we just run into my boy Keys. The man walked with elephants today. Give him a like for walking with elephants.
Oh, it was so fun. But my sister and I, we didn't get kissed by the elephant, but there was other people that got kissed and they just get this brown mark on their faces.
Well, that's probably better that you didn't get kissed, bro. Guys, we were gonna, that slow-mo shot that I gave you guys just now, hey, you back, was gonna be of these skaters that were gonna do tricks off the side, but then we got shouted at, so I had to stop filming and they didn't do any tricks. You see Pienso's shirt there, right? All the boys are, okay, you got the boys, all the boys, hands in. We're wearing that shirt next week Sunday, okay? Like all of us have to wear it. If we don't wear it, what's the consequence? Okay, we have to walk across the front of the church to go to the bathroom. Are you ready? What's the chant? Sure. 3, 2, 1, parents. 3, 2, 1, parents. Check it. Oh, easy, simple. Yeah, that gives me shivers.
Come on, JD, come on!
That's it, that's it. Guys, the night just keeps getting better with my brother.
So guys, I'm back.
He's back.
Yeah.
Complex for me.
Wait, hold up. Xander wants to be in the vlogs.
No, I still need.
Oh.
I'm waiting for, really, I'm waiting for.
Yeah.